how to use Instagram boomerang effect. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Instagram boomerang effects to make your stories more fun and engaging. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply swipe right from the home feed to open the camera section. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll through the bottom option and make sure it is in the story section. And now here, once you are in the story section, at the left hand side, you can see the infinite option. So here you simply have to tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you have enabled the boomerang option. Now, here, simply tap on the capture button to make a short video, and Boomerang will automatically take a short burst of photos and play them forward and backward in the loop. So, here, once you're done with that, you can simply share it to your story. Now here, if you like, you can add filters, GIFs, musics, sticker icon, text, effects, and even drawings. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on send to and share it as your story. And that's it. Now you know how to use Instagram boomerang effects for story that pop. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.